Hello, greetings everyone, and welcome to the Daily Affairs. Right here, you will be getting all the front page updates of the day quite informatively. So, before we begin, I have a news related fact for all of you. So, the first vernacular newspaper of India is Bombay Samachar. Bombay Samachar was first published in Mumbai. Its founder is Fardunji Marzban. So, without any further ado, let's get started with our first news of the day. So, the first news says Caribbean Collapso, 2 times champ West Indies fails to reach ODI World Cup. Let me present to you this whole story in 6 different parts. Firstly, West Indies, once known as the Lord of Cricket, will not be participating in ODI World Cup this year. Since the tournament began in 1975, West Indies was always a part of ODI World Cup. But this year, it won't be happening. Second, the World Cup champs of 1975 and 1979 World Cup, who famously lost to Kapil Dev's not so strong Indian cricket team in the year 1983, faced a very brutal 7-wicket defeat from Scotland while participating in the qualifier rounds of World Cup ODI this year. Third, the defeat came during the Super 6 stage, which is the second level of the qualifying campaign for the main tournament, which will be going to held in Ahmedabad this year. Fourth, West Indies is currently having 0 points as it lost the group stage to Netherlands in Super Over and they lost to Zimbabwe with 30 runs. Fifth, Sri Lanka and Zimbabwe are best placed with 6 points each to reach the main edition of this tournament. Sixth, 8 teams have already made through the main edition, which are Afghanistan, India, Australia, Bangladesh, England, New Zealand, Pakistan and South Africa. The second news says Gujarat High Court denies Teesta bail. 3-judge bench of Supreme Court gives relief after 2-judge bench split. After the conclusion of an 11-hour drama in Constitutional Court, Supreme Court on Saturday late night in a bench of 3 judges postponed the decision of Gujarat High Court, which rejected the bail of Teesta Salwade and requested her to surrender immediately. This case is associated with allegedly forging documents, tutoring witnesses, and influencing the state to malign the state functionaries in the country and abroad. The bench of Supreme Court had granted interim bail in September as the petitioner was a woman, and High Court was totally wrong in providing her a week's time. Supreme Court was split into the bench of 3 regarding the decision of interim relief to be provided to her. 25 charred as bus catches fire after hitting the divider. Almost 25 passengers, including 10 women and a 2-year-old girl, some in sleep when a private bus crashed into a barrier and burst into flames. On the Samruddhi Mahamarg near Pimpalkhuta in Maharashtra, Buldhana, at 1:32 am on Saturday. This is the highest death toll in a single accident which took place on the accident-prone expressway, which was inaugurated in December 2022. 8 people of the bus, including the driver, managed to escape and are now admitted in different hospitals fighting for their lives. With most bodies burned beyond identification and around 5-6 days are required for DNA testing, the state is trying to convince the family members of victims to perform mass cremation of their dead bodies. Prime Minister says government is spending 6.5 lakh crores on farmers, my guarantee. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday stated that the centre is annually spending 6.5 lakh crores on the welfare of agriculture and farmers of India. And the government is ensuring that every farmer receives 50,000 annually one way or the another, calling it Modi's guarantee and not just a promise, creating a remarkable scene as a mocking statement or false promise, polling the opposition parties, particularly Congress. That's it with all the front page updates. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.